Welcome back. It's Bill and Corey show. Kinda.
Yeah.
We're not live.
Part two.
Well, we're live.
Part two, and we're alive.
We're recording before a live studio audience. Might be someone out in the warehouse that's still here. So today we're going to talk about this gas cabinet. So thanks for tuning in. And
this is like a fully loaded one too.
It is a fully loaded cabinet, and it's not complete yet. It's not done yet. So it's almost all the way there. We're still waiting for some parts, but yeah. So it's a 3-cylinder cabinet because it can hold
3 cylinders.
How about that? And it's got 2 process panels, and this one over here. This is a purge panel set up there. So you want to start?
Well, I mean, they have the gases are flammable gases, and we have a 5-valve panel which allows you to purge the gas out. Typically, you want this for corrosive gases, but sometimes people do want it for flammable as well. But it's recommended for corrosive.
Yeah.
And so they got it for methane and hydrogen as well, both flammable gases, 5 panels. So you got a purge gas comes out of here, goes into the purge panel, and then you dry out, get rid of all the flammable gases with the nitrogen, because the nitrogen over here got methane and hydrogen.
Yeah, and you get the moisture out too.
Get the moisture out.
That's the idea. Well, what's nice about typically for flammables, you'd have a 3-valve panel, and then you'd have a check valve in the CGA fitting, and then the only thing you have to worry about is the gas that's in here. And then you could
do a positive purge.
Do a
blow out.
You blow
throughout the line.
Yeah, process gas purge. But this is a 5-valve panel, has a cross purge. So you have purge gas inlet here, high pressure isolation, high pressure vent valve. This is the ESO valve. Talk about that later.
What does ESO stand for?
Emergency shut off.
I know not everybody is up to the lingo of the acronyms.
Yeah, you gotta. Yes, that's a good point. So we have purging here. What's nice is you can, when you're doing cylinder changes, you can just crack that valve a little bit, and you'll get gas purging out, and then you won't get any moisture fitting in or anything like that.
None of the crap in your shop air, whatever.
Yeah, nothing. This should be shot.
I
It's coming right here from a cylinder.
No, I mean the air around it. The air, the air here
in the shop.
Yes. Yeah, and I mean it's suitable for breathing.
Okay, you want to point out some of the other features?
Well, as we can see here, and this one just came up and it's interesting, but we have a gas detection because it also has the intrinsically safe pressure switches.
Yes.
And so now we have to fit all this stuff inside this cabinet as well, which made it quite interesting.
All this stuff.
All these awesome, I don't know, features.
Okay.
So so we have gas detection, and then for various and then when it.
This is a intrinsically safe pressure switch.
So So
you can tell when your cylinder is low,
and it won't cause problems with hydrogen and methane.
Right. So if there's a leak, it won't blow up.
Yeah.
That's key.
That is key.
So this is typically set at. We put it up there. It's set at 300 psi. You can adjust it. If you're the customer, can go in there and adjust it.
One could if they wanted to.
They would have to take this little panel off and use a screwdriver to adjust the pressure. It gets kind of tricky to do that, but you can adjust it. 300 is good pressure, because the cylinders are going to come in
2600,
2200, 2400, something like that. And then, so that'll tell you when it's empty. And the gas detection, you got it for hydrogen LEL and methane LEL.
No detection for nitrogen?
No, we don't have that. That's kind of, well,
I joke, but yeah.
That's not your real hazard.
No.
Yes, you could. If you had nitrogen.
100% nitrogen is not good.
100% nitrogen. Now you need some oxygen. You would use an oxygen detector.
Yes.
That's like for air. It's really kind of set for air, and that's not like, oh, I got an oxygen leak. That ain't gonna be able to detect that.
No.
It's gonna tell you if your oxygen level's too low, then you can set that up and you get alarmed. But in this
like
case,
you'd be at the top of a mountain or something, right? It gets way too.
Yeah. So in this case, your big hazards are the flammability of hydrogen and methane. Yeah, and Corey was talking about trying to fit everything in the cabinet, because these are big. And these are the
comes
detector
down.
heads. So when you design one of these things, you got to make sure it's not. You don't want to have this like in right on top of a valve, right in blocking a valve or something like that. This one, the model that we had when we designed this showed that this was this would be up higher. Now you can see this panel is lower than the other
Drop
panels.
down a little bit right there.
That's because if you move this up 2 inches, this knob would be right below the detector head. So we had to move the panel down because this came in bigger than the
And luckily,
model
because
we
this
had.
one has a flex hose instead, it makes it a little bit easier. Because dropping this one down would change that level a little bit.
Yeah,
It might-
but you'd
might-
have to redo the
Yeah.
flex hose. Yeah, there's flex hose, CGA 580 integral check valve, perfect for purge gases, single station regulator. Sorry. Because you need about, you probably want 50 to 70 psi for the purge gas inlet. And then we got some other features here. Up top, we were talking about the ESO.
Goes to the GSM 12.
The GSM 12, and that's our auto shutdown controller.
And make sure don't lose the keys, right?
Yeah, don't lose the keys. There's 2 of them there.
So it's good you connect them. So if
Yeah.
you lose one, you lose the other.
So I don't know what you want to do with those when
Right,
you
no,
get it. You figure that out.
I mean, because I don't know what it takes to hot wire
what
one.
what's it
the
have
thing.
for? You don't want to read
High
that?
delivery pressure, excess flows. Excess flow switch is another one
Yeah,
that we
actually, that's
offer.
an option we're waiting for.
Oh, is that okay? Exhaust failure switch, which I think is there one.
We don't have.
I don't think there's one on there. No.
That's a popular option.
Yes. That and the
Exhaust failure
Magnahelic.
switch. Well, you can do either the Magnahelic to show you the pressure, or just a exhaust failure switch that would tell you, hey, it doesn't say anything, but pretty much, hey, I don't have gas flow. You want to shut everything down, because if you don't have gas sucking through the exhaust system to your abatement system,
Oh man, as you say that.
and then you would have, you don't want to have hydrogen leaking into your room. You want to have negative pressure here. So you'd have basically an exhaust failure switch. It says, no exhaust, and this says, okay, close the ESO valves. We don't want gas coming out anymore.
Yeah. And then we have the low cylinder, which is.
Well, then that's actually, we don't use that for this.
We don't use that. Okay.
That's for like a shutdown, low cylinder pressure shutdown.
Process line containment,
That's nobody.
gas detector warning, gas
Yeah,
detector alarm.
Yeah.
Is that like a storm warning, tornado warning versus tornado alarm?
That's a tornado stuff. You better hightail it.
Just I remember because there's a difference between like a warning and
Yeah,
a watch,
yeah,
and that's what. Fire detector,
You could get, sometimes people have an infrared fire detector.
and we have the sprinkler as well. We didn't mention that. You got to
Yeah,
hook
we
up
have a
water to
sprinkler in
that.
there.
Remote start, beep beep. If you want to beep it like a car, you just start it up, right?
No, you gotta, it's hardwired. It's not for like your paper for your car thing or your TV.
Turn on, make sure the AC's running low,
Yeah,
so when you get in, it's nice and cool.
We don't have apps for this thing.
Okay, and then shut down and purge.
Yep.
And it comes with a nice wiring diagram for the back of that, and
Yes.
and there's
Yep.
all sorts of things.
And with excess flow switches and everything, if we have something on the cabinet, we'll wire it to it.
Yep.
These gas detection don't have a display on it, so you have to go to a controller. This is our GSS, so you'd have to go to an external controller and have that feedback to here. If we get the GSM series, it's
low,
this
yeah.
type, but it has a display. This could be wired directly to the GSM 12. So that's something to keep in mind. These are less expensive, but you need a controller with it. But then there's advantage of controller. You can do some other things with it, set off alarms and turn
Yes,
your
yes.
life safety system and stuff like that. Then we also have, if we can kind
Oh,
of
that's what
pictures-
that's what we hooked the intrinsically safe.
Well, the intrinsically safe pressure switches
Switches go to that.
go to the
Yes.
PM24. This is our pressure monitor. PM for pressure monitor.
Ooh,
24. The last one was 22. I don't know why
23.
it's 24. We skipped 23.
We really like the TV show.
So this will tell you when it's all wired up, you'll get a left low pressure or right low pressure, and you can.
Is that stage
You can
left or
reset it.
stage right?
Yep. So the right would be this one, the left would be this one, and the left That one. So you get a alarm and horn. Alarm. You get a horn and
Yeah.
a strobe. Not a strobe. You
No.
get the lights come on and a horn.
And a
that's
disco ball.
No disco ball.
No disco ball drops.
That's an option. We don't sell that one. But you can add a disco ball to it.